club, D-real ill. I got them saying, boy, you nasty. Drop a hot song, now they saying you can have me. Well, here I go, and if she keep talking, put a target on the throat, choke. And I'm aiming with my penis, take a swag at it, got me playing like Venus. Just seen it get touched, but you better not tease it. It's Eastside nigga, half your ass dumb cheesin'. And sex is a reason, put a sock in it, cause you can't help screaming. I'm a cold-hearted nigga, but I'm steaming like a demon. And I'm aiming for the figures while they hate for no reason.
Mr. Afro Thunder, the hooligan man, can run your summer. Hit it from the back, yeah, bitch, I'm on your bumper to bumper. We can play plumber, you can go under. Mouth like a plunger, she grabbed my pocket and start working with her tongue. Dumber and dumber, her head game dumb. Had a nigga saying fee, 5, 4, 5. Since I'm the hooligan man, I tied her ass up to the futon bed. Ate it up on the futon bed. Spread, head had her feeling righteous.
Get that ass over here, she put her head down and put her ass in the air. Get that ass over here, she put her head down and put her ass in the air. Get it up, 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 get it, get it, get it up. Get it up, bitch.
Mike Dollar, hoes wanna holla. They already know that a nigga bout his dollars like guap it or stop it, and you should just stop it. Saying you got money, but you ain't got no guap, bitch. I'm ill, sick, it's like I'm throwing up. Man, I swear to God, when I spit, it's like I'm throwing up. I'm like, what the fuck, what's really going on? All these chicks on my dick, I'm tryna take them home, turn them on, get some dome, then get it on. When we get it on, we gon' listen to that whisper song. I kinda want me a porn star that'll suck me all day and drop a phone card. And yes, we is the best. Cold flames, baby, and fuck the rest. Got me feeling like King Kong, the way I'm beating on my chest, and I'm something like airplanes. I'm flyer than